Hello, Moto. Wagwan. I'm back. I just show you how to make some marinade for my chicken. So just we have some spring onion, some ginger, some thyme, some scotch bonnet. I put some garlic. I forgot to get onions, so I'm now put no onions in there. Spring onions will have to do. So let's squash my garlics. Give them a little fine cut. I go cut everything up in a paste. Blend everything to a paste. Right. So that's garlic, spring onion, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna get a piece of tissue. Just do a little bit of cleanup. Alright. Oops. And I want to chop that away. Right. So this is for my own recipe, peeps. So no measurement. So 2 spoon chicken. All purpose. Little bit of cinnamon. Some black pepper. Some jerk seasoning. And to give it a little bit of sweetness, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2.5. Some oil. Wait. Let's put those back away. Little bit of salt, not too much, because everything already has salt in it. All right. Cover everything. a little bit dry, so I'm just go ahead. A little bit of water. I don't want too much oil. That is that. All right. Just stay tuned, peeps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Chicken is washed. Clean it up now. Just clean up all my chick. Cut out all the fat and then skewer the chicken so I can make sure the marinade go everywhere. Clean up your chicken. So when you finish this, you have to leave it for about, time now is to 1 o'clock. I'll give it about half an hour marinade, not give it too long. And then we'll put it in my oven and a slow heat. Let it just go and cook away. Alright, let's give it another wash. Alright. Put that there. My chicken. pour out my marinade. Now I go waste none, so just I go leave that there. Let me scrape everything out. Right, everything is in there. Oops. Now get my hands dirty. Well and truly marinated, season up under the skin, everywhere, you know, everywhere, miss nothing out, underneath the skin. Gonna leave that there now, as me say, marinate for about half an hour. Alright, that's it. Nicely marinated. So I'm going to cover it up, as me say. Leave it for about half an hour. There you go, peeps. Looking good. Just letting them cook. Only cooking for one. I don't wanna cook too much. Just stay tuned, peeps. Yep. See some rice. Excuse me. That's my rice. Ooh. My chicken look nice. I don't want to eat too much. I'm not gonna eat too much of the chicken, you know. Just one piece. just one piece like that. Get some. Cover that. Get some gravy. Jerk chicken with white rice. That is it. Just stay tuned.
Of millions of dollars
Hey,
to crops and farmland.
let's taste this chicken now.
Probably more, close to half the United States. They're a huge problem. So I do have a couple more traps potentially on the way. There's other ways to control feral pigs.
Nice.
You can hunt them with dogs. I know guys that do that. But if there's a sounder of 20, you're going to catch 1 or 2, maybe 3. Hunting. And a lot of folks,
Chicken well cooked, babe.
we get a thermal optic and put on a rifle and get out there.
Jerk chicken with white rice. Couldn't be better to do rice and peas today.
And no matter how quiet you think your rifle is, you're not going to shoot the whole sounder. Ever.